නමෝ තස්ස භගවතු අරහතෝ සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස නමෝ තස්ස භගවතු අරහතෝ සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස නමෝ තස්ස භගවතු අරහතෝ සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස Lesson 16. Actually, I would like to give one more lesson coming Sunday. Okay, after noon, maybe 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. is okay. Cannot? Can? Night? But night, maybe one of the China Mahathero is coming, no? At night. Maybe almost busy, no? Okay, discuss later. Discuss each other. Anytime the Sunday I have to give last talk in the Sunday. And anytime you can decide, then I am ready. Huh? No, today Friday, tomorrow have 2 lesson. 2 lesson? Yeah, 2 lesson tomorrow can. Tomorrow we have 1 lesson, no? Tomorrow, no? Maybe the next Sunday, one more lesson. Because then I want to complete the verb present tense, past tense and future tense. Then after that, slowly by slowly, you can by heart, by yourself, you can study by yourself until next. Oh. Oh. I have to sign the contract. Okay. Conjugation of verbs, present tense, active voice. Okay, please read the PowerPoint. For the understanding, we divide 3 ways: ending a, ending a, ending a. The ending a meaning pachati, pacha. Ending a, dada, ganha, suna. Ending a, tape, udde, puje. Understand? Remember? Okay. Now the third person, the singular and plural with the example naro pachati, meaning nara pachanti, darako sunati, daraka sunanti, sakuno uddeti, sakuna uddenti. Okay, you can small sentence by yourself like this. Only singular or plural can. According third person. Okay. No. This. Okay. What happened? Putto kilati. Okay, next. Acharyo bhasati. Okay, one of the upasaka. Okay. Putto dadati. Okay. Next. Sunaka kilanti. Okay. Next. Try. Small. So first you think by your own language. Small sentence. Because now you have already vocab. Try by own language. Small sentence. Then you try to translate to Pali. Later can think with the Pali. Okay, one upasaka again. Try. Huh? Bhopalo. Vahan. Receive. Ganhati. Okay. Another upasaka. Daso Sayati. One upasaka. Mitto Charati. Okay. One upasaka. Matulo Bhasati. Okay, can? Matula Sayanti. Okay. Daraka Hasanti. Can? Good. Yachako Yachati. Yachako Yachati. Okay. One upasika. Hanati. Kumara Hananti. Okay, Kumara Hananti. Manava Ahindanti. Okay, upasika. Can? Cannot? Can. Only take the list. Take the list. One and finish. Take your vocab list. One and finish. Okay. Kumara Gachanti. Bahasanti. Kumara Bahasanti. Okay. Good. Okay. This side one upasika. Sakuno Sayati. Gayati. Sakuno Gayati. Sakuna Gayanti. Gayati means singing. Okay. Another upasika kya? Kasako Kasati. Okay. Upasika kya? Acharya Nachanti. Okay. Another upasika? Can? Okay, try. Narapachanti. Okay. Another upasika? Daraka Haranti. Darako Harati, Daraka Haranti. Okay, good. Okay, now I want to explain the one more two words. Here add Bhavati Hoti. Have? No, not. Okay. To be, very common, no? To be. To be is in English to be. The Pali we call bhu. Bhu. Bhu element. According to the grammar element bhu. Bhu we change to bhava. Bhava. Bhu change to bhava, not the exist, huh? Bhava. This bhava, bhavati, bhavanti, this according to third person. This meaning is are. So no is are. And bhavasi, bhavata according to second person. Are. Okay. English meaning are. You are. Example bhavati. Bhavati meaning puriso bhavati. Is man. So the man, he is the man like this, huh? And bhavanti meaning, English meaning are. They are, okay, anyway. And the bhavasi meaning according to second person. You, singular you are. Plural bhavata you are. Okay. Bhavasi, bhavata meaning are. And bhavami. Bhava meaning I am. Bhavama, we are. Okay, we are. Same way, another Pali words are hoti, also is. Honti are. Hosi are. Hota are. But singular, plural, you have to understand. Huh? And homi, I am. Home, we are. Okay.
So what's the difference between bhavati and hoti? Can they be used interchangeably?
Can. Anytime we can use, because but yeah, they give the same meaning. Usually we can say if the living being, if living beings talk in time, usually we call homi, like this. But the unliving things, unliving being, we can say bhavati. Pataviyam, patavi bhavati. The patavi means earth bhavati. Earth is like this. Bhavati meaning like we can say the unliving thing. Unliving thing, we are going to talk unliving thing, at that time bhavati we can say. But the puriso hoti, puriso rukko bhavati. Rukko meaning unliving, no life faculty, no, don't have life faculty. Rukko bhavati. And the puriso bhavati, cannot, it's better puriso hoti, because bhavati meaning like nature, natural thing. Natural thing we can going to talk at the time bhavati. This meaning the unlife, not living being. Okay, understand? Please write down. Already, everybody? Okay? Now the pronouns. Some pronouns we add. Okay? According third person masculine, third person feminine, third person neutral. So, sa, tang, singular, plural, te, ta, tayo, ta, tani. And the second person twang, plural, tumhe. First person ahang. Plural mayang. The meaning also have, please write down. Next time you can talk each other. Sabbanama. Nama meaning noun, sab meaning which means everybody can use sab meaning. Everybody can use the man or the living being, unliving, the not living being. Everybody can use sab noun meaning pronouns. This way, so many pronouns. Okay, I can give one few, but different way. Okay, anyway, few pronouns I will give. Okay, you have the book, no? No need to. Next time I will explain the Pali with the sutta, with the sutta. Yes, yes. But not this period. Next period. Then you can understand how we now that you know the way, but I have to explain little more about the masculine another ending termination and the feminine neutral. After that we can, because now the slowly improving your Pali knowledge. Now page number 49. Please take your new Pali course book, page number 49. Page number 49. Okay, you can see the in here page number the last this is the pronouns, but for the understand only. But if you actually now you know the way, you can after you slowly you can try to read, then you can understand. Sabba meaning all, pubba former, itara the other, anyatara certain. These are all pronouns. Okay, anya other on other, katara which, katama which one, apara other, ubhaya both, para other, like this. The few of the words. Now eta meaning this. Okay. Now this meaning imang, etang meaning that, far away. You have the near. This is my book. This is my book. Imang pottakang maiham bhavati. So imang pottakang. Imang meaning this. Book. This is book. This is book meaning this is book. This is book. 3 words. This meaning imang. Is meaning bhavati. Pottaka, book meaning pottaka. This is book. This meaning imang. Imang. Imang pottakang bhavati. This is book. This is computer. Imang, but computer, we can say the yantang. yantang bhavati. Yantang means the machine, one of the machine, no? Bhavati. And no, this is a different case. This neutral. Because pottaka meaning the neutral sound. Patama. That's why I not yet teach. But only for understand enough, those are the pronouns enough. Later can understand. Okay. Hmm?
The neuter plural here is ta, but on page 52 is te.
Hmm?
So wrong. So neuter is it te or ta?
Oh. Mistake, no? Sorry, mistake. The te here. The third person, the neutral, please the plural side, ta tani, te taniya. Please edit, te taniya, te tani. Now, second one, te taniya. The neutral, singular tan, plural, ta tani. Tano, te. Ta have to change, te, te. Te. Good. Mistake. Okay. Okay. Now please, okay, recite according third person, second person, first person, pacha with the noun, with the pronoun. Now meaning understand. Now next time you can say ahang battang pachami. I am cook the rice. The present time. Aham battang pachami. If somebody asks during your cooking time, you can say answer aham battang pachami. Together cooking, mayang battang pachame. Okay. Okay, if you need, write down. Yes. Okay. Finish? No. Okay, right. Okay. The according to the new Pali course, the first lesson exercise first, second, third, no, fourth. The fourth of lesson answer. I this time I not going to check. You can check by yourself. First you make answer. Then we already put in the website. We are going to put the website. Then you can check. If wrong, anyway you try to understand. Try to do answer. Okay, another one. Okay, recite. Okay, now understand. So dhammang sunati, te dhammang sunanti, twang dhammang sunasi, tumhe dhammang sunat, ahang dhammang sunami, mayang dhammang sunami. Understand? Understand? Okay, write down if you need. And about according to Alapana homeworks, also very easy answer. I we already put in the website. Check. Already, no? Not it. Okay. After stop our class until start the next period, don't forget your Pali knowledge. Every day try to practice. Maybe you give the time for the understand. This means morning you can divide your daytime one time, even 30-minute morning, evening also. And if you have some friend together, try to discuss. Maybe once a week, come to the center or some place, try to discuss each other. Good for them, everybody. The once a week or maybe anywhere you can discuss maybe 2 or 3 hours about the Pali. Otherwise, next time I have to teach again from beginning. Okay. Next one. Now little bit different thing. You see this tape ending a, tape, tapeti, tapenti, like this. Okay, recite. Okay, this same way, little bit, the same meaning, little bit, we have to change. Now the tape, but the some place, the ending a, tape. At that moment, we can make two words, two verb, but same meaning. Tape plus ti, tapeti is one word. Another word, tape plus aya plus ti, tapayati. Same meaning. Tapeti and tapayati, same meaning. Understand? We can build two words. Okay, same way, second one, tape anti, tapenti, tape plus aya anti, tapayanti. Understand? Same meaning. Tapenti, tapayanti, same meaning. Only the different, but they give the same meaning. Understand my meaning? Understand? Everybody? Huh? Yeah, yeah. Of course. Now in the PowerPoint one you can understand? Understand? Okay. You see the next one. Okay, see. Ah, ah. Now you can understand same meaning. Okay, write down. Before one already, no? No, this one write down. Now same way, tapayasi, tapayata, tapayami, tapayama. You have to make like this. Understand? Okay. Next, now we will small sentence according third person, second person, first person, singular sentence. So pachati, what? Bhattang, so bhattang pachati. Twang pachasi, what? Bhattang pachasi. Ahang pachami. Now small sentence very easy to build, no? Okay. But more important, the practical. You have to practice every day, otherwise forget. Very easy to, because now your memory already full. Because some are very old, because of the age. Now the many thing inside, no? Yeah, now the not enough memory. You have to delete something. So bhattang pachati, twang bhattam pachasi, aham bhattam pachami. No need write down, no? Understand, no? Okay, next. Plural. Okay, recite. Now this way you can build small sentence. Now you know the present verb and you know the present tense and you know the how to divide according to the person. Then you can build now the small sentence, huh? Okay, next one. Okay, now little bit long. Ahang, okay, recite. Ah, now ahang gacchami. I, oh, to where? Viharang. Viharang. With whom? Sapurisehi saddin. With the virtual man, truth man, wise man, any man, good man. Because we can add many meaning, no? Sappurisa. Now okay, check the meaning. Correct, no? Next one. Mayang sunama. Katang. Katang Dhamma. Kamha. Kamha means from where? From whom? Kamha means from whom? Samanamha. Because now I use the Mayang Sunam. What? What meaning? Which kind of thing they listen? Pali what meaning? Katang. Katang. Which kind of thing? Katang. We can say what? And from whom? Kamha. But no need to think. This one also the Sabbanam. This is a pronouns. Okay, now the meaning. Understand meaning? Okay. Okay, next one. Oh, very good. To cook me? Because some people eat the snake, no? Eat, no? Yeah. Sri Lanka never ever eat. Any Sri Lankan never ever eat any kind. Sri Lankan customers, the people, they never eat any kind of snake. Don't be afraid. After go Sri Lanka, no snake. They bite. Okay. Twang pitakamhi sappe tapesi. Okay. Meaning twang tapesi. Snakes. Where? Pita kamhi. In the basket. Actually, any kind of basket we can say pitaka. Okay, any kind of basket. Plastic or maybe the natural one, the cane one also we can see the pitaka, ola basket. And Sri Lankan, the 55% people, the vegetarian. Yeah, vegetarian. Some whole village vegetarian. No any fisherman. Yeah, some area. Almost people eat only the some fish and chicken only. But some people eat the beef. But other one not eat. Almost people the vegetarian. Almost monastery also vegetarian. Okay? Where meaning? Katta where? Okay? You keep the serpent in the basket, but I think this time not use serpent, no? Snake, no? It's all English serpent. Oh, oh, but okay. Next one, recite. Tumhe dadath. You give. Aharam. Achari yanam. To the teachers. This meaning offer. Okay. Next one. Mayang sannipatama. We sannipatama, gathering. Or assemble. Sihapure. In the Singapore. Sihapura meaning in the Singapore. Pa'au Aramasming. In the Pa'au monastery. Aramasming. Monastery you can say. Huh? Now the two kind of arama Lord Buddha explained. Lord Buddha explained two kind of arama. Pupparama and Palarama. Pupparam flower garden, Palaram fruit garden. But this is a concrete garden. this time concrete garden, no? Concrete I don't know. Concrete garden. Okay, meaning we assemble in the Park Monastery in Singapore. Okay, next one. Aham pujemi. Pindang. I offer alms. Buddhassa savakanam. Where? Who offer? To whom? Which kind of thing? Where? Okay. Okay, understand? Understand? See, understand. Then if I ask question, how? No answer. Okay. This one. You keep the fish in the baskets. Plural sentence. You meaning tumhe. Fish meaning keep. You keep. You keep mean English? You keep Pali? Tumhe tapeta. You keep. Tumhe tapeta. Fish. Where? Oh, plural. In the baskets. Pitakesu. Pitakesu. Meaning? Tumhe පිටකේසු මච්චේ ඨපේත. तुम्हें पिटकेसु मच्चे ढपेथ. If you need, write down. Okay. Next one. I wander with my friends on the island. I wander. I wander. Wander meaning? Usually ahind. Ahindami. Because I know. Ahang ahindami. I walk. Charity also can, but ahindami is more better, more polite. Ahang. Okay. Ahang suve bhikkhuna sadding vanaramang ahinditum gacchissami. Ahang, I, suve, tomorrow, bhikkhuna sadding, with the bhikkhus, vanaraman, to the forest, ahinditum, to walk, gacchissami, will go. Yeah, in the coming soon, future tense. After future tense coming. Okay. I wander with my friends on the island. I wander. Ahang ahindami. On the island. Oh, deepe deepamhi deepasmi. With the friend. Mittehi sadding. Okay. Ahang mittehi mitte sahai. Okay, many words. Okay, ahindami. One of enough, huh? Mittehi or mittebi. Or sahayebi sahai. One of enough. One of the one. Okay. It's typing mistake. Some words. Okay. Next time you try to practice the meaningful sentence. You try to build. Example, Yachako yachati. Kasako kasati. The meaningful thing, huh? By yourself you try to practice like this thing. You try to different way, you try to practice. Anyway, don't forget your Pali knowledge. Okay? Also, next one. We wash the... Okay. We wash. Wash meaning dovati usually. Wash meaning dovati. Because of mayang. Dovami. Dovama. I dovami. We dovama. Mayang dovama. Which kind of thing? Garments. Sata ke. Vatte also can, but next time can say sata ke enough this time. Sata ke. For the wise man. Wise man. Chatutti, no? Meaning? Panditas. The mayang panditaya or pandit satake dovam. Next one. Okay, next one. Singular. You mean singular here. You stand. Twang titta si. Stand meaning tittati. Tittati, tittanti, tittasi. Twang tittasi. Where? Which place? Twang tittasi. On the rock. Pasa ne, pasa nammi, pasa nasmi. One of three. In the mountain. Pabba te. Okay, if you need, write down. Tvam pabbate, pabbatammi, pabbatasming, pasane, pasanami, pasanasming, tithasi. Actually, all are sentences same. Before we practice, only you have to change subject and verb. Now we practice the sentence, no? We practice according to the homeworks, many homeworks, no? All our sentences we can change only the subject and verb. Naro gamang gacchati. Naro gamang gacchati meaning? Naro meaning? The man. Gamang. To the village. Gacchati. Goes. Naro gamang gacchati. Now we want to change to the plural. Nara gamang gacchanti. Only the Naro gamang gacchati. The man goes to the village. Plural, nara gamang gacchanti. The men go to the village. This is according to third person. Now, those are this sentence I want to change to the according to second person. Twang gamang gacchasi. Only we have everywhere. Now your homeworks you can slowly by slowly we try to do. Only you want to change subject and verb only. Other all are meaning. Other no need to change anywhere. Other whole now before we practice according to the according the cases by cases. No practice. We go to the homework. Every homework you can practice by yourself. Only we want to change subject and verb. Same way. Twang gamang gacchasi. You go to the village. Tumhe gamang gacchata. You go to the village. Ahang gamang gacchami. I go to the village. Mayang gamang gacchame. We go to the village. Okay? Very simple. No need to think too much. Very simple. Because this is simple way. Same way you try to make one sentence. Example, Buddho dhammang bhasati. Write down Buddho dhammang bhasati. After that change like this way. Then try to practice. Now Buddho, Buddha, Twang, Tumhe, Ahang, Mayang. Bhasati, bhasanti, bhasasi, bhasata, bhasami, bhasami. Same way, manusso aharam bunjati. Manusso, we have to change subject. Bunjati, we have to change. This way you try to practice this present tense. Okay? According to the person, how we change. Okay, but English don't have different to me not fully different, no, but Pali whole change according to subject and verb. Okay. Everybody take the vocab list. Vocab list 8 and vocab list 9. Vocab list 8. Aram, case, nak, dant. Okay, recite. Arama, this is masculine. Same way, aramo, arama, aramang, arame, aramen, aramebi, aramehi, aramaya, aramas, aramanang, arama, aramamha, aramasma, aramebi, aramehi, aramas, aramanang, arame, aramamhi, aramasming, aramesu, arama, arama, arama. Okay. Now this way you can practice nouns. Okay. Verb. Pariyesati. Pariyesanti. Arabhati. Arabhanti. Ussahati. Ussahanti. උපසංකමති උපසංකමන්ති අධිගච්ඡති අධිගච්ඡanti ගායති ගායන්ති ආමසති ආමසන්ති චෝරේති චෝරෙන්ති දේසේති දේසෙන්ති චින්තේති චින්තෙන්ති පූජේති පූජෙන්ති පූරේති පූරෙන්ති පීලේති පීලෙන්ති කතේති කතෙන්ති උදේති උදෙන්ති රෝපේති රෝපෙන්ති මන්තේති මන්තෙන්ති ආමන්තේති ආමන්තෙන්ති නිමන්තේති නිමන්තෙන්ති පාලේති පාලෙන්ති කිනාති කිනන්ති ජානාති ජානන්ති ජිනාති ජිනන්ති. This is a one of vocab list. Within the 4-5 months you can practice, you can by heart. Okay, vocab list number 9. Okay, good. Okay, number 9. Vada, Sugata, Tathagata, Hadaya, Pub. It's nouns. Same way, you have to practice the verbs bhayati, bhayanti, chavati, chavanti, uppajjati, uppajjanti, kipati, kipanti, vapati, vapanti, kassako kettang vapati. Understand? Kassako kettang vapati. Vapati, understand meaning? Vapati. The fatty withdraw to the fatty feed is vapati. Okay. Akankati, akankanti, sibbati, sibbanti, oloketi, olokenti, jaleti, jalenti, chadeti, chadenti, mareti, marenti, neti, nenti, aneti, anenti, pateti, patenti, paleti, palenti, parivajjeti, parivajjenti, obhaseti, obhasenti, deti, denti, minati, minanti, uggahati, uggahanti, ugganhati, ugganhati, ugganhanti, ochinati, ochinanti, Vikinati. Vikinanti. Many, no? Many, no? Enough memory? Enough. Every day, try to practice five words. Too many. Try, huh? Sorry? Sorry? Pubba. Pubba meaning? Pass. Pubba. After wound, we get the yellow color thing. This is a pass. Pubba meaning. Okay. Chinese? No. Okay. Now the future tense, very similar to the present tense. Now I am going to explain future tense active voice. Too heavy? No heavy. Okay. Only different, only little bit different. Okay, you read first, everybody. No, by this is a future tense active voice. Between pacha and ti, between you have to add only is. Is pachisati, pachisanti, pachisasi, pachisata, pachisami, pachisama. Same way, all are nouns, sorry, all are verbs we can practice. Okay. Oh, okay. Suve ahang battam pachisami. Tomorrow I will cook. Aham battam pachisami. I will cook. Suve means tomorrow. Huh? Suve. Not like the parrots. Huh? S-U-V-E. Suve. Suve. No. It's different. Okay. Now the ahang battam pachisami. Next time, yeah, Bante, I will cook you. Cannot say like this, huh? I will cook for you. Again, we have to say ahang battam pachisami. I will cook. I will cook aham battam pachisami. I will cook the rice. No sangas. Yeah, will cook. The cook will cook all everywhere. Will cook. Because English will cook, no? Everybody. Everybody will cook. Nothing change, but Pali change, huh? Okay. Now same way, see the PowerPoint. The pujeti, puje, ending e, no? Ending a, puje. Same way, is pujesati, is. Here no is, double sa. Because why? Puje, because of a, huh? Pujesati, pujesanti, pujesasi, pujesat, pujesami, pujesam. Okay, finish. Okay, understand? Only s between puja plus s ti. Between the puja and ti, s coming. Become puja sati, puja santi, puja sasi, puja sat, puja sami, puja sam. Will offer. Puja sati means will offer. Everywhere will offer, will offer. I will offer, we will offer, you will offer, he will offer, they will offer, all. Okay, after finish, recite. After finish, first finish. Oh, plural. The loan, poo, not poojas, poojami. You, plural, the loan. Okay? Understand? Slowly eat. Don't try to take all together. Slowly by slowly. Try to understand one day one sentence. But now, all write down. Because we have only one more lesson. If I have time, maybe Sunday also I can give talks. After that, you have the time every day. Try to practice. Okay, please recite. Now understand? Okay, understand? Next one. Now the suna, before the present tense sunati, but future tense sunisati, sunisanti. Because na we have to delete. Loan we delete, isati we add. Okay? Okay, if you need, write down quickly.
That is English grammar. I will also. I am E English
No. Usually the I we use shall. Will also can, but use shall. Shall we move? Yeah, both can.
Both can. Slightly different meaning, but generally. Will is stronger than shall.
Sure, unsure.
The meaning is there. If you understand the meaning, that's it.
Sure and unsure. I shall go. I will go. Sure, no? Can. Everywhere will. Because to understand only English shall will use, but Pali no. Only one word. Only one way. No two way, yeah? Okay? I shall offer. This meaning, maybe sure, maybe sometimes cannot not offer him. No, he said, I shall offer. Sometimes he's going to offer, but not offer. I will offer. Sure, he go to offer. Okay. Okay, finish. Next. Tape is no, like this. Puje is no, like this. Tapesati, tapesanti, tapesasi, tapesata, tapesami, tapesama. I already explained before. Tape, tapaya, two, no? Same meaning. Tapeti, tapayati. Remember? Tapayasi, tapesi, tapayasi. And tapemi, tapayami. Same way, they have the future tense we can make. But like this thing, very rare to find in the Pitaka. But anyway, we have to know. We have to understand. So, tapesati, te tape santi. Same way. So tapa issati. Tapa issati. Te tapa issanti. Only issa coming. Issa. Not I double S A. Okay. Finish this one. You see. Tapa issati. Tapa issanti. Tapa issatsi. Tapa issata. Tapa issami. Tapa issama. Okay, understand? Only different, only one word, one alphabet, two alphabet different. But all are same. Because you see, say, oh, very big word, how by heart? We think like this, no? But no, only one word, more only one alphabet. Because now the very new, no? That's why. But always, every day try to read, try to check. Then become familiar. After, can. Can? Slowly, yes, slowly. Huh? 6 months. After 6 months. After 6 months retreat. Huh? About past tense, very, very complicated. But tomorrow I will explain. Past tense, very, very headache. Because too many. Yeah, that's why. No. This one, yes, I understand. This one, I'm giving why. You have the time in future. Through the practice only. Not tomorrow I not ask about question from this. Don't worry. No. I will not make any homework about like this thing. Because you have to take time. Huh? Only understand. All write down and read. Not enough one time. Read. Check each other. Then you can understand what is the difference. Okay, this is the meaning, because that's why this one we put in the last end of our course. I not give the beginning of the course. If I give the beginning of course, no anybody here. And then only Acharya can teach to Acharya only. Oh, sadhu. Tomorrow, so I think same, no? Too late. Huh? Okay. Understand already? Okay. Okay, this one I tomorrow explain the. Yeah. No. Because the sentence tomorrow I explain. Na tomorrow. The sentence. Yeah. Still future. Well, too heavy. Too heavy. Yeah. Okay, they have the one more homework about Twang, Tumhe, Ahang, Maya. Okay, only different than present tense, not the future, not the past. This is, I think, last homework. Huh? Tomorrow we not give any homework. Don't worry. This is a homework. to the practice. Huh? This is the last homework. Now the sa bhatang pachati. She cooks rice. Okay? Everybody have the homework? Anyway, tomorrow, if you are free, don't give up your class, because tomorrow I am going to listen the past tense, because little bit complicated. Step by step I have to explain, because the past tense about the third person singular 4 forward, and third person plural 4, and second person singular 2, plural 2, and the first person singular 2, plural 2. How many? Apachi pachi apachi pachi, apachinsu pachinsu, apachum pachum, apacho pacho, apachit pachit, apachim pachim, apachimha pachimha. Are you surprised? Okay? Apachi pachi apachi pachi, apachum pachum, apachinsu pachinsu, apachum pachum, apacho pacho, apachit pachit, apachim pachim, apachimha pachimha. Okay? Little bit more. Lot more. Lot of more. little bit. Okay? Okay, sharing merits. Idam me punyang asavakkaya vahang hotu. Idam me punyang nibbanas paccayo hotu. Mama punya bhagang sabba sattanang bhajemi. Te sabbe me samang punya bhagang labhantu. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.